ensure dignified and secure retirement.
Na mtazamaji, mengi kuhusiana na uapisho huo wa majaji 15 wa mahakama ya rufaa ni kwenye taarifa zetu zijazo. Kwingineko, raia wawili wa Uturuki wanaochunguzwa kuhusiana na ufadhili wa ugaidi wamepata pigo baada ya mahakama ya Mombasa kuruhusu kitengo cha polisi wa kupambana na ugaidi ATPU kuwazuilia kwa siku 5 zaidi. Hakimu Mkuu wa Mombasa Odhiambo, hata hivyo, aliwaonya wachunguzi kuwa mahakama haitatoa kibali cha kuongeza muda mwingine wa kuzuiliwa zaidi baada ya siku hizo 5 kukamilika.
Justice Omudi has repeated that always you must come to ask for more time after having filed what you have done, to show what you have done. So if they have not hindered the prosecution, then what kind of persons are we talking about? These are decent people. They have helped. Your Honor, you will notice from the chronology of events that I've given you, the documents that this state is saying they need, while they took their sweet time and not going for them, the respondents gave them the bank documents. The respondents gave them the printouts of the mobile phones.
We're not approaching the court as being mischievous. We just made the application following the procedure by the state that is mandated to prosecute matters. That's why we came to court and have made that application on behalf of the investigating agency.
However, I also noticed that the 14 days requested for have not been justified with specificity as to what exactly needs to be done within that period. So in the circumstances, I would allow the application for extension partially and grant the investigation team 5 more days within which they should decide what direction this matter should take.